Hey guys, hello everyone. I'm student Philip J. Blair from the Styles University, ID number 9864, instructor name Imae Laman. I will be discussing on the topic HTML list and table. Also, we'll be looking at HTML semantic. Firstly, let us look at HTML list. We said there are two types of lists in HTML. They are order list and unorder list. We say unorder list is a list item that have bullet point. To create an unorder list, you need a pair of UL tag. And between the opening and closing of the UL tag, you can create an individual's list item, and we need a pair of LI tag. For each item, we provide to ask for a list. For example, if we are going to bake a pizza, we need a list of ingredients. But firstly, we need to open a UL tag, and between the opening and closing of the UL tag, we have the LI tag, which is a list of items. Order list, it is as seen as order list. Order list, it is a list item where the orders matter. Each item, it is numbered or lettered depending on the style you set. It is created using the OL tag. Order list, it is an element within each item. It is within an LI tag. For an example, firstly, we first open the OL tag, and between the opening and closing of the OL tag, we have the LI tag, which is the list of items. So this is how a list is structured in HTML. Now we move to table in HTML. You see, table in HTML, it is used to display a data in a structured format like a row or column. It is useful for organizing information like schedules, price, list, or contact details. The basic structures of the table in HTML, we have the TR tag. The TR tag in HTML is stands for table root. The TH tag in HTML is stands for table header cell. Now we move to HTML semantic. HTML semantic, it means using HTML tags that clearly define the meaning and structures of the content, and both for the browser and for the developer. Example of some common semantic tags are the header. The header defines the header of the page or the section. Then we have the nav. The nav defines the black navigations link. Then we have the semantic. Then we have the means. The means specify the main content of the page. Then we have the frontal. The frontal in HTML is define the frontals of the page of the sections, and etc. Now, while we use HTML semantic in our code, we write 1. We use HTML semantic to make our code clear and more reliable. 2. We use HTML semantic to enhance our accessibility for screen reader. Follow me for more contents of HTML, and follow the page, like the page for more HTML knowledge.